In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Charles Schwab routing number. Knowing your routing number is crucial for setting up direct deposits or making wire transfers. We'll explore the most efficient ways to find it, ensuring you can access this information swiftly. First, let's start with the fastest method, which is through the Schwab app or their website. Begin by logging into your Schwab account. This step is fundamental because it grants you access to all your account details. Once logged in, navigate to the Move Money section. This is where financial transactions are managed, making it a logical place to find your routing number. Next, tap on Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. This option is specifically tailored for locating your routing number and setting up direct deposits. After selecting this, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here you'll need to select your specific account. This ensures the information you receive is accurate for the right account. At this point, your routing number and account details will appear on the screen. This makes sure you have the correct information at your fingertips. It's a quick and reliable method, especially when you're on the go using your mobile device. Now, if you prefer using a desktop computer, there's another way to find your routing number. Start by signing in to schwab.com. Just like before, accessing your account is the first step to unlock all your account details. Once signed in, head over to Accounts and then to Transfers and Payments. This section houses all options related to money movement, similar to the app. From there, open Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. This will direct you to the same essential information. Now, pick your account from the list. This step is crucial to ensure you're viewing the details of the correct account. Once you've selected your account, you can view or download the details. There's also an option to print a PDF, which can be handy if you need a physical copy for your records. This alternative method is especially useful if you prefer working on a larger screen or need a hard copy for filing. It's important to note that Schwab may have different routing numbers depending on your account type. However, for most Schwab bank accounts, the common routing number is 1212022211. This is the number you'll use for most transactions. Keep in mind, some wire transfers might use a different number. Therefore, always confirm the routing number inside your account before proceeding with the transactions. This step is essential to avoid any potential delays or errors with your transfers. By following these steps, you'll be able to find your Charles Schwab routing number with ease. Whether you opt for the app or the desktop site, you now have the knowledge to access your routing number quickly. Remember, having this information readily available can streamline your financial activities, making everything from direct deposits to wire transfers more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and happy banking!